Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you of a bag that I'm very excited for. I've been waiting for it for quite some time. I didn't think it was going to happen, but it finally has. If you are new here, hello, I'm Ralph by Design. I do unboxings, reviews, usually coach related here on my YouTube channel and over on my Instagram. If that's something that does interest you, please consider subscribing here and follow me over at Instagram. They're both at Ralph by Design. And without any further ado, let's get into this unboxing. All right, here it is. A little quick backstory before we get this open. I've been wanting this for almost a year, but it went on the back burner because Coach has been keeping me busy with other bags. And it's sold out online and it's sold out in stores. So I just thought maybe it wasn't meant to be, but then a little birdie, I know you're watching. Thank you so much. Let me know that these are going to start popping up at the outlet. So, of course, I made some phone calls, got this ordered, and now it is here. I am so excited for this. So let's get this open. I've never seen this in person, just pictures. Most stores did not carry this bag. I'm not certain why. It was more expensive than all the other ones in the collection. This one is a very cool leather, so let's look into it. I'm so excited for this. Oh my gosh, okay. You guys can see into the box just how I am. It is fully factory wrap. That is always a great sign. Let's get this out. Oh, I'm so excited for this. You guys know this is a big bag just by looking at it, and you see the color peek through there. Oh, I'm already obsessed with the color. This is such a beautiful shade of green, but let's get this open because I know this is going to be stunning, and I want to look this over, make sure she's perfect. Oh, the smell test, you got to give it the smell test because Coach's leather just always smells amazing, and as soon as you open it, that smell comes wafting out. I'm so excited for this bag. Like I said, I've been waiting for it for almost a year. I didn't think it would happen, but here it is. Oh my gosh, that color. Look at that color. Oh my gosh, let's take this in. Oh, that is beautiful. I'm over the moon about this. I can't believe that this is finally here. It's finally made it home. You guys, this color is absolutely beautiful in person. The camera does not do it justice, and this pebbled leather feels amazing. This is style number C9824, and this is in the color green. This is the Cashin tote 32 in the original responsible leather, I believe is what they called. But then they rebranded it. Then they changed it over to the regenerative leather. I don't know why that word is so hard for me to say, regenerative leather. And so it's the same thing, you guys, are if you're wondering that you noticed this when it was original responsible leather and then they changed it to the regenerative leather. It is exactly the same thing. They just changed the marketing on it. But look at this color. She is gorgeous. And if you guys notice, if you guys are familiar with the Cashin line, the Cashin, every single bag that's in this current collection of Cashins is all smooth leather. This is the only pebbled leather version, and I'm so excited for that because I love smooth leather, but for durability, for long-term use, I absolutely love the pebbled leather. It is so much more forgiving. You don't have to worry so much about scratches. Everything gets hidden so much better, and it just wears in amazingly. And look at that. Look at the bottom. Look at that brass hardware with that green color. I absolutely love it. So like I said, you guys, when this starts popping up on the website, which I'm pretty sure soon here, it will start popping up on the Coach Outlet website, it's going to be labeled as Cashin in the regenerative leather. But if you look at the bottom, it says original responsible leather. I don't know if you guys see that there, make it out there. So it says original responsible leather. So like I said, that's what it was originally marketed as. But I guess maybe they thought that wasn't good enough marketing for them. So they and then they change it over to regenerative leather. So what is this original responsible leather or this regenerative leather that they're talking about? Like I said, both are the same thing, but they just changed the marketing on it. And this is from the Coach website. This says, crafted to last, the leather is sourced from farms that use regenerative agricultural practices. Those that help maintain and rejuvenate grasslands, increase biological diversity, soil health, and productivity, and could lead to increased carbon absorption. So it doesn't super specify of what that means. To me, is the farmer that is raising these cows, they are doing the most to do the least impact on the environment. So they do things to make sure that the soil gets regenerated and has nutrients put back into it, making sure that the water runoff that comes from there is not toxic or doesn't hurt the wildlife around it. So that is actually pretty cool that Coach is doing something that's on their new mission to be more sustainable. We all know the Coach Reloved that Coach is doing on their website. They take old bags, make them new, or they fix them up and get them back to original condition. So Coach is doing it all. They're trying to keep bags from going into the landfill by remixing, upcrafting, doing that. And also they're starting at the source where they get their leather from on some of these bags. Look how amazing this looks. I'm a big fan of green, and especially with this brass hardware, it looks amazing. And the fact that I got this from the outlet at 60% off, you guys, 60% off. That is nuts. So let's get to the inside of this because there's a few more tricks in this bag that I'm very excited for, and I'm glad that it's part of this. So first off, you get a Coach 1941 dust bag. This is a very nice canvas. It is not like the New York dust bags that are that satiny, shiny material. This is very thick, luxurious, and for some reason, they've discontinued this, but the Cashins do come with it. If you guys are familiar with any other Cashin, like I have done my videos previously, it's the exact same setup. Look how much of a give that this has because it is that pebbled leather. My smooth leather ones, my smooth leather Cashins that I have back there, those ones are very stiff and they do not have this like easy give to it, and I absolutely love that. I think that is so cool. And this just feels amazing. It feels very durable. Like this is going to last me a lifetime. So something I just noticed on the inside, I'll insert a picture. They did change the creed on it to say that it's made out of regenerative leather. I think that is really cool, and it's specific only to the bags that has this. So a bonus to this bag, not only does it come with the Coach 1941 canvas bag, it comes with multiple straps. So if you're buying these straps separately, they can be anywhere from like $100 to $200, just depending on what it's made out of. I believe like the leather ones are $300, the leather chain ones. So it does come with the leather strap in the same responsible leather or the regenerative leather. And this is very soft, very pliable, very different than the smooth leather version. And there you have your brass hardware. This looks and feels amazing. I love that it came with that. A lot of times they'll just use the smooth leather instead of the pebbled leather, but they used the pebbled leather on this and it matches beautifully with that. So not only does it come with that leather strap, but it comes with my favorite strap that Coach makes, the canvas sport strap. I call it a field tote strap. It just feels so thick and luxurious. I absolutely love these straps. It makes it for such a comfortable carry on these bags. And you have the Coach printing that goes across there. You have the green stripe that goes with it as well. This looks amazing, and it definitely adds a more of a sporty look to it than the polished matching leather one. I love when Coach gives you multiple straps on a bag. It really changes up the look. And plus, I can use this on my other bags. This is going to look amazing on my green Willis from the Originals collection because it is the same shade of green. So this is going to look great on it. That really switches up the look of this bag. Gives it more of a sporty vibe compared to the leather, matching leather one there. This is so much more like substantial and fun. Makes it great for an everyday carry. If you load this thing up, it makes it very comfortable to carry, you guys. I'm so excited that I have this in my collection, and I can't believe that I got this at the outlet for 60% off after a year. I've been waiting on this for such a long time. I did not think it was gonna happen, but it did, and at the outlet price, that is nuts, you guys. Keep an eye out because a lot of stuff is going to start popping up at the outlet. A lot of stuff already has. So comment down below if you guys find some goodies. Let me know what you guys are finding. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. And don't forget, stay extra out there. Bye.